So you're ready to apply for a loan or get pre-approved. What are those initial documents that you're going to need to provide to your loan officer? And these documents you can provide right up front. That's preferred. But if you don't have access to them and you need a day or two to find them, great. That's not the end of the world, but just know that that process may be delayed by a day or two to obtain that pre-approval or to get the loan submitted to an underwriter. So the documents that are needed going to be your most recent 2 years worth of W-2s. So we're sitting in 2023, that'd be 2022 and 2021 W-2s. We also need your two most recent pay stubs. Now, there's a bit of caveat here. If you get paid on a weekly basis, we need 4 pay stubs. If you get paid either bi-weekly or monthly, then we need your most recent 2 pay stubs. So we need a total of 1 month or a total of 2 pay stubs if you're paid monthly. We also need a copy of your government issued ID. This could be a state issued ID, so a driver's license or a state identification card. Could also be a passport or a visa if you are an individual who is here on a visa. We also are going to need, for especially with refinances, your insurance information, so your homeowner's insurance information. If you have a copy of your declaration page, great. But if you just know your homeowner's insurance agent name and phone number, that typically suffices as well. We'll get we will get payment for an appraisal, which is one of those items that we're going to do right up front, just to get it out of the way, because that can take time. And then if you are self-employed, then we're going to grab 2 years worth of taxes. That's going to be both personal tax returns and business tax returns if the business was filed separately. Some business returns are filed on your personal returns. Great. I just know 2 most recent tax returns if you are self-employed. If you are not self-employed, typically, not always, but most often, we do not need tax returns, which is just one less document that you need to provide. Now, keep in mind, this is just that first layer of documents that are usually 100% needed on loans. Particular types of loans may require different documentation or additional documents. And then, of course, once it gets to an underwriter, then at that point, there is another set of documents or items needed to clear conditions. Hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, certainly leave me a comment. If you have any recommendations or you like to know about a particular topic, let me know.